Introducing the new rolling chassis kit, featuring the SCA-1E 2.1 Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro, officially licensed by Toyota Corporation. Available in two stunning colors, Lunar Rock Gray and Electric Lime. These vibrant finishes come pre-painted with decals already applied, making customization a breeze. The trusted SCA-1E 2.1 rolling chassis is simple, reliable, and free from gimmicks. Fully assembled without electronics, it includes a powerful 5-pole 19-turn brushed motor, giving you the freedom to add your own electronics. Don't limit your imagination. Whether you want a slow rock crawler with the included motor or prefer high-speed brushless motor systems for power slides through the dirt or jumping over obstacles, the choice is yours. Plus, the kit features pre-installed plastic trims and new molded wheel arches for a sleek, finished look. This kit is perfect for those who already have experience with rock crawling rigs and most of the necessary electronics. Unleash your creativity and take your driving experience to the next level with the new rolling chassis kit. Welcome to Charisma Scale Adventure.